Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to simply enable developer mode on Android Infinix. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we need to do is to head over to our phone settings. So I'm going to simply scroll down right here and then make sure I click on my settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here on the search right here. What you need to do is to simply type in my phone. Then you have my phone right here. Simply click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and go to fashion info. Click on fashion info. It's going to take you right here. What you need right here under build number, continue to tap it until you enter developer. So you are now a developer, as you can see right here. Then we can simply go back and back. Then from the search right here again, we can type in developer. Now we have access to our developer. So we can simply click on that. Just like so. So these are all things you find in developer mode section. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply enable developer mode on Android Infinix phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.